Hello, in this video we will be treating the setting, language and style used by Dele Charlie in his book The Blood of a Stranger. For the setting, the book Blood of a Stranger is set in a fictional village called Mando in the country Sierra Leone. This era of this setting talks about the oppression and the freedom from white men just after the oppression and freedom. And then he also talks about the unavoidable conflict between tradition and modernization of the British people. He talks about how the Africans see tradition and culture, and how the British see these traditions and culture as archaic and weird. Okay, so that's pretty much about the setting. And okay, let's move to the language and style used by Dele Charlie. The language used by Dele Charlie in this book is very simple but very compact and profound. It is simple in the sense that he made use of a simple English languages, but it is compact in the sense that adages, proverbs to drive home African rooted meanings in words were also used. So it takes a deeper understanding of these adages and proverbs to understand the meaning the writer is trying to drive home about. And also he made use of elevated language in the sense that they made use of ambiguous English styles that you can only use the dictionary to understand these words. So that's pretty much the setting, language and style Dele Charlie used in his book Blood of a Stranger. In our next video, we'll be treating the themes embedded in the book Blood of a Stranger as written by Dele Charlie.